Hello everyone, this is James from MPX AUTOS. In this video, I would like to show where is the location of the factory amplifier in the Mercedes SLK, the series of R171, which is generation between 2004 and 2010-11. Now, this car already has the factory radio removed, and if you have something like this, actually you will have either the non-amplifier system, or if you have the both sound system. Now, in case you have the amplifier and both sound system, where is it? The original amplifier, it is here, under here, you know, on the left side of the car, which is passenger seat location. In this case, the car is right-hand drive. We need to lift up the carpet over here, and you actually see that form. So you slide this form up, and now you actually see the meter bracket frame here. This one is held by 3 plastic screw bolts, one there, one down here, and one down there. They are 10mm socket style, so just use the 10mm socket and unscrew 3 bolts, 3 nuts, and then you can slide this meter bracket further in, because it has the long leg at the bottom. Slide it upward there, and then you can lift it up and slide this one out. Okay, so slide it upward to the end there, lift it up flat, and then slide it out. That's the way it get out of this meter, you know. And behind this one, if you have the factory both sound system amplifier, it will stay behind that thing, and you can work on that. So that is the way to find the factory amplifier location in the SLK R171. Okay, it's not in the trunk, it actually is here, just right there. So yep, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.